Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to add Discord GIFs so you can create and use animated GIFs easily inside Discord. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Giphy.com, which is a popular website for creating and sharing GIFs online. This platform gives you simple tools to find or create GIFs for Discord. Step 2. Browse Giphy and choose any GIF you like, or use the search bar to find one that matches your style. If you don't have an account, click Log In or Sign Up in the top right corner to access your account and save GIFs. Step 3. Once you open the selected GIF, look on the right side and click the Copy Link option. This link is important because it's what you'll share inside Discord. Step 4. Open Discord and go to the conversation or server where you want to use the GIF. Click on the message box and paste the copied GIF link to preview it instantly. Step 5. Hover your mouse over the GIF and click the star icon to add it to your favorites. This helps you save the GIF for quick access later. Step 6. Click the GIF button in the chat. Go to Favorites and select the saved GIF to send it again anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful tutorials.